In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Skillz discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Skillz discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called .penny.com. And right here, as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this $50 bonus no deposit, all you need to do right here is just tap on the button where it says show code. And this is the promo code right here that you can use in order to get this bonus on the website. Also, we have right here this website, which is called greatterminal.com. And right here, we also have some promo codes that you can use in order to get some promotions and discounts. So, for example, if you want to get this $1 discount of your first deposit, all you need to do right here is just tap on this button here is the show code. And this is the promo code right here that you can simply copy, and you can use this one in order to get a promotion. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.